she often gives her social media followers an insight into her day-to-day activities and stylish outfits on Instagram. And Lily Allen shared a stylish snap of herself wearing a pink cropped t-shirt and jeans, where she flashed her toned abs in her latest post on Friday. The chic snap came shortly after she shared a sleepy makeup-free clip of herself yawning in her pajamas earlier in the morning. Lily teamed the vibrant top with a pair of straight-leg dark rinse jeans, which featured a distressed hem and were styled with purple Chanel sandals. The mother of two appeared to have applied light touches of makeup and wore her signature black locks in a relaxed wave. Earlier that day, Lily took to her Instagram stories, while appearing to wait for her bath to run, to share a glimpse of her routine with her 1.5 million followers. She seemed to be a little tired as she let out a long yawn while on camera before greeting her fans, saying morning. Her hair and fringe looked as if they had been slept on and she was still wearing her PJs, a white t-shirt and lime green shorts. It was possible to get a glimpse of Lily's impressively long nails, which were adorned with checked nail art as she shot the video in the mirror. Water could be heard running in the background of the clip as she prepared to start her day. It comes after she appeared to be heading back to the UK on Tuesday after spending several months in New York supporting her husband David Harbour. The singer shared snaps on social media of her humongous luggage before travelling abroad with her two children, daughters Ethel, 9, and Marnie, 8, whom she shares with ex-husband Sam Cooper. Lily looked trendy yet elegant in a black jacket which she teamed with a black vest and a mixture of timeless necklaces. Her children were sat by her in a car, surrounded by suitcases, full of their essential items. The Smile songstress also grabbed a couple of chic selfies at the airport, revealing her black Prada slippers and white trousers. David had high praise for his wife Lily as they appeared together at the premiere of his latest movie, No Sudden Move, last Friday. After posing for photos, he gushed to page 6, "I'm in awe of her. I think she's a remarkable, extraordinary woman and beautiful, talented, lovely, caring, but for some strange reason she also seems to think a lot about me, so it seems to work." The couple tied the knot in Las Vegas in September 2020 after dating for about a year, and they now live together in the UK with the singer's two daughters. Of his life in London, David confessed that his humour doesn't always translate well across the pond. "I don't think they quite understand me there. I think in America I have a lot more leeway for someone of my goofiness," he explained. "They have their own brand of goofy which is in its snark and wit. These are generalizations, but yeah, it's not my brand. I think they find my brand a little boorish. That's alright, I'm not for all markets."